You obviously know we were supposed to take all the cars on this trip. Unfortunate things I've been dealing with Maverick. It's obviously not happening. So Brandon's already down there with Minion. Have a fun time. Take a look at some of the S650s. I know we are attending the Dark Horse R reveal. What time is it? 10:30? We were supposed to leave at 5 in the morning.
It's alright. We're chilling. We're chilling.
What you think of the whole mock incident, man?
It's a little depressing. People are just idiots for real at the end of the day. Karma will happen. I think it'll work out best. You never know. Anything could have happened on this trip where I was telling Derek before. It could have just been a small incident at the house, which could have avoided a major catastrophe in the Carolinas.
That's how I look at life, man.
It's already over and done with, so...
Just gotta get her fixed up, and maybe you'll have the Dark Horse then.
Yes,
and we can do a little Tennessee Tail of the Dragon trip. That'd be pretty sick. We're gonna put that behind us now, though. All good, positive vibes from here on out. Just gotta keep focused and stay driven. So, Charlotte, here we come. We're gonna make the best of it. Got a little road trip. Have a little over 4 hours, not too bad. We're gonna get this trip rocking and rolling and see how old Yeti girl does on a roadie. You did forget your Apple CarPlay gadget, though, so we could watch YouTube videos on the way. He sold.
That's an L. That's an L for me in the chat, boys. For real. That is a big L.
We put it in the self-driving mode. All you got to do is put, you know, weight on the steering wheel. Yep. Jake's big chillin'.
Thanks, Ford. We figured it out. We hacked it.
Drives yourself, and yeah, do that at your own risk. But
dude,
it works great.
If we had the movies going on right now,
I know. I told you to bring it.
I'm not stopping. Dude, it's been doing good. We went over that bridge, took it like nothing. Like, I had a small panic attack. I had a small stroke. I was like, "Yep, this is it. We're done."
Well, we spot a yellow turd. I feel like this is where you're staying.
Yes. This is mi casa. Been an autopilot all day, you know, just living the life. Just get close to him and door ding and shit.
1 through 10 to door ding them. You ready?
Alright, do it.
1, 2, 3, 4.
3. Ah.
Sup, bitch?
From this morning.
Oh,
yeah, I'm sure it was. Damn!
Get out of the truck.
Come on.
Dude, I don't know how I'm spending the night with them. You guys need to send help right now.
You guys are sleeping in the same bed.
No, we're not.
Yeah, he said it's one queen bed.
It is 2 queen beds. I made sure of that.
You.
So slut.
Now, what you doing?
Welcoming another one to the family.
Damn, he got it.
He got it.
Damn, that bitch is clean.
Yeah, the white's.
Our boy just bought a white handling pack mock.
No way.
Yeah.
Who?
Mike. That's nice.
Yeah, it's nice as fuck.
Damn. I can't wait to see that. We'll have to get it on the channel.
Yeah.
That's fire. Tell him.
Like Jake. Was that Jake?
Yeah. Tell him I said congrats.
Said he's got to get it on the channel.
That thing's fire. Tell him to enjoy it and watch out for U-hauls and eggs.
I'll definitely make sure to tell him that.
The hell you doing here so early, Minion?
Y'all were supposed to have been here 12 hours ago.
It is steaming. It's reading 100 degrees in the truck, so it's definitely freaking boiling. What's the #1 rule when we film? Suck in. How? Damn, you might have to up your size in the shirt.
You are not a medium.
Dude,
you are not a medium.
He's gone. The medium days are over, bro.
You're an
Damn.
XL.
We're gonna have to get you on the large game. He fuck his bed up. Get him all. Get him all.
His toothbrush in here is scrubbing my fucking ass crack. You can watch me scrub my ass with a toothbrush.
Aw, did you bring your little blankie, bro? What the fuck is this? Why do you have a little? Why do you have a blankie, bro? Where's your fucking pacifier? What happened to this diet?
I got it last night.
Chick-fil-A you just pulled out, and now you have Taco Bell. Bro, he has fucking Taco Bell in here.
In the fridge?
In the fridge,
I
bro.
never ate it. I ordered it, never ate it last night.
That is cap.
I ordered 2 tacos and didn't eat them. I couldn't eat them. Then I fell asleep.
So, game plan. We're going to the track, right?
Once he finishes his business, we're gonna go to the track.
I wonder if they're actually going to let us sit in the dark horses and stuff. That'd be sick.
I popped something in my back when I was trying to wipe my ass. I'm crippled right now.
Give us 5 push-ups right now.
Yeah.
Right.
5 good ones. You better go lower. I don't know. We might have to work on those.
Right here, my middle of my back is fucking popped.
That's what happens when you're overweight. You wiped your ass and blew your back out.
My back just gave out. What the fuck?
You blown his back out?
I'm not blowing shit.
His back's getting blown out, if anything.
By who?
The guy he caught over last night.
I don't know. You are shirtless in a hotel room with him.
I'm changing.
What if you wake up and you find him looking at you?
I will snap
this?
his arm in an armbar.
Brandon, I'm telling you one last time. We just got here, dude.
I saw my broken ass car was the reliable one that made it this time.
Oh, my car's sitting at the house.
Alright, listen,
His
I
car
could
got
still.
wrecked by you.
I got to check engine light last night.
No, you did not.
Oops.
I did for a misfire, but it went away.
Wait, we're on the wrong floor, bro.
Wait, nice little 5.0 Gen 2.
That one shit's in my yellow. I like your car.
How's it going? We were right over there with the Foxes, dude.
Yeah.
Damn.
That's kind of, dude, how?
It's been,
Was it
what,
2
2 years, dude?
Dude, that's kind of crazy to
2
think about.
years ago.
Because I've had the truck for over a year.
No, it's been 2 years for sure. Because you got to think, I sold the Fox to get the Terminator.
Oh my God.
It's been a minute. So this is the Ford Performance School.
Yeah, that's what I wanted to show you. So they have the Mustangs here. Last time, so this when I was talking to the guy, I was like, what is the toughest Mustang so far? Because I like the GT350s and stuff, but everyone's like, oh no, they're really good. He said every Gen 2 Coyote they have had here, not a single one has blown up motor-wise. Obviously, MT82s have left the chat multiple times, but you can see they got a Mach 1 here, bunch of Gen 2s.
I gotta check out this
some of these
Mach.
cars have like 50,000 miles of nothing but racing.
This color looks so good on that. This is the same color as Joel's ST. That looks good on a Mustang. Tremec. Let's see, does it have an egg mark? Nope. And no dent.
Hey, dude, it's
Must be nice.
So you remember all those videos or pictures that went viral? The guy was taking the drone shots where the S650s were stationed.
Is that here?
I'm pretty sure this is the parking
No
lot. Yes.
way.
Last time I was here, there was a million Mach 1s there. Now, like, I haven't even seen that. We're like early out. They still had all the packaging on them.
Those are all GTs, right?
Yep, all GTs, one solo Mach 1.
Wait, why do they have GTs still though?
I think you can sign up. I think that's like their bread and the butter. Like their like GT
yeah.
Performance Racing School, because they teach you everything. Like you get certified to race, I think, after.
Oh wow.
Yeah, that
That's
black
pretty
Mach
cool.
looks really good.
Yeah, black Mach right there. That's some Gen 2 Raptors right there. I wonder if they'll slide me one of those suckers. That gray is
I would
fire.
take the Leadfoot over anything, honestly.
Yeah.
Leadfoot's the most rare. We'll just loop the way we came in. We'll go out, stop at a gas station, maybe chill for a minute, and then we'll just head on back.
I can go over to where all the restaurants and shit are.
Yeah, we'll follow you. On Jake! You didn't want it. Guess we got a whole Carolina squad here.
Yeah, looks like people just getting in line. Got a Dark Horse right there. That is literally Brandon in the next 10
Joel
years.
must have got around. Joel, what you be doing in North Carolina, bro?
We have a race red Mach 1.
Is it even a real Mach?
It is. It's a Haley package.
I'm not too sure how big of a turnout this is supposed to be. This is my first time on the Charlotte track though, so this is really cool. Nice fighter jet. I miss mine. Mine should be here right now, which sucks.
The boys be racing right here in a month and a half.
Dude, check your pants. It's all wet.
Fuck you, dude.
Oh shit.
Slid off. Hey, the platform slid.
Yikes. Well, there's a situation. Dark Horse trailer broke, so they're gonna have to try to figure something out. Could have been a lot worse if he was going faster. Thankfully, that wasn't the case, but
I want to film the cold start. I missed the cold start.
Turn and see that.
Turn, I saw that thing start to smash.
what happened, Brandon?
The car fell off.
As far as the Dark Horse situation, we're not staying for it. So we're gonna go in Minion and take some laps. Bro, sometimes in life you just gotta break the rules and take the risk.
I told Derek I'll get in the Raptor. If I get the opportunity to do a burnout, I will let her eat from start to finish.
You won't f***ing do it in the parking lot.
Bro, I'll do it right now.
You sissy, no you
I'll
won't.
remote start it.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Best 2 out of 3.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Yes. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. In the back.
In the back, dude.
My car's in the back, bitch.
Oh, yeah, got hit, right?
Ow, my ankle! I'm twisted! Ow! Listen, if you don't send this right now and just get a little shit to where we're going to jail, I don't know if I can have you on the channel anymore.
We're on a racetrack. We don't go to jail on a racetrack.
These back seats in the S550 are horrible.
Dude, right here, this might be the best view ever. Ain't no way. Oh, man, show him up, dog.
Damn, he's on your dick, bro.
Dude.
You f***ing pussy.
Oh my God! Jesus! Yes, sir!
Yo, he's getting fucking kicked out.
Downshifted!
Oh my God, this is so sick. We're on the embankment right now, and it's a little sketchy. And this dude has a Shelby next to you.
I know.
You better not slide.
My
dude.
seatbelt's stuck. Oh, fuck.
Someone's gonna spin out. I feel it coming. It better not be you. I don't have my seatbelt on, Brandon.
Look at
There you go, Brandon. Oh, that GT350 don't want nothing from you. Get on his bumper. Show him what's good.
Whip out your
Turn
cock.
the gas on him. Oh, he's patting the brake when he runs.
Oh, slow down. Yo!
Why is he going so goddamn slow?
You almost fucking rear-ended that R, dude.
I had like 20 feet from him.
Definition of 20 feet is 20 inches, dog. What do you mean 20 feet?
The lap was fun, I'm not gonna lie. I wish Brandon could rip it more around that. That was super fun.
I had confidence.
Be honest, did your ass pucker a little bit when you came up on him like that?
No, because that's how it's normally is on a track. It was going too damn slow. Like, you don't need to go 20 in a 40-mile-an-hour corner. You're supposed to bounce off the curb, get the car to rotate, and then go.
Oh, so now you're a pro.
I've always been a pro.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
The RTR S650 looks really good. I like that. And we have a mock. The orange is fire, dude. I do like the orange a lot. Actually, if you gave me a decision, I think I'm taking the orange over the grabber blue. How's it going? It's doing well. Good to meet you. No, dude, no. Oh, look, he's waiting for the eggs. He's good.
Yeah, he's chilling. U-Haul is not getting past that. No shot.
Dude, I'm actually sad right now. Black Fox, the fighter jet with the orange accents. I think Tyler wants to do that. Beautiful orange GT500. I like this spec a lot, actually. What color are y'all taking in the GT500?
This is exactly how I wanted to order mine. They come with red cars. This is factory.
Oh yeah. Look at it through the windshield. That looks
That's
so
exactly what I
good.
want.
You know how much I paid for these?
How much?
Free 99. I found them in a Suburban.
No, you stole them.
I stole them.
This is gonna be a chalk clip because of the music. They're gonna reveal the Dark Horse R.
All right, the Mustang Dark Horse R. What do you guys think?
We just saw the Dark Horse R. It's just a completely certified like track car. Like no blower, but same motor, same transmission, same rear end, but just legit converted to a track car. So kind of curious to see what they're gonna charge for that. I got a feeling it's gonna be up there.
It's got nothing. There's nothing on the inside. Have you looked at it yet?
No, I looked at it, but I just want to see it here what they did. The setup wise.
Yeah.
This is how mine's gonna look as soon as I get it.
No, it won't.
Promise.
You're gonna have yours in
Seats
bubble
out,
wrap.
back seats out, subs out. I brought shake on it. I got my lead tech Chuck. We'll got it.
Yeah. What's your name, bro?
Kiro.
Kiro, it's good to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you,
No, it's
brother.
left-handed, but let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Music's too loud. I'm gonna get copyrighted. I'm not exactly sure what's next. You saw the car, you saw Dark Horse get dropped by accident. Took a little lap, it's finally cooling down with a nice little sunset. So drop a like if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel if you're new here.
That does look It does look good. I think I should try to grab the truck and run it.
Yeah, go
over
get it,
here.
just go get it now.
Gotta get that Insta content, you know what I'm saying?
This freaking Raptor is so nice.
Daddy's here. Dude, the sunset went away.
Yeah, you talked.
Kind of pissed. Looks like
That's legit my car, but in black. Like to
yeah.
a T. Car looks sick, bro. Looks awesome. What's your name?
Jason.
Jason, good to meet you, bro. I was just telling them that's Lucifer, but in black.
That's what I think.
It's so sick, dude. Wow.
I got the kid on about.
Yeah, she looks good, dude. In black looks crazy. Yellow calipers, I love that. Damn, she's clean, boys. This gets me so stoked to get Lucifer back so I can start coming out with the car. Have a fresh clutch. I'll throw the street pack on so I can go road trip. I cannot wait. %. Guarantee you that's your knock right here. You see how much this moves? Exactly what it is, bro. I guarantee you, you kick that off, put a blower guard on it, or you could somehow try to secure it to where this metal on metal, look, you see your pipe, you actually have ding marks on it. I guarantee you that's from that hitting that. That's exactly what it is, bro. So we're contemplating if Jake should send a mini Burnout and Yeti.
No,
I want him to.
Burnout. I want
Nah,
a fat Burnout.
if you do one, you.
If I'm doing one, I'm doing one.
I just don't know, dude.
The RCR looks so good.
I feel like this. I feel like this track is super nice, and I think they'd get pissed.
Can I just scream, hey, can I do Burnout my Raptor? Oh, they're moving it.
Oh, pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up.
Oh, man, I want the picture.
Ask him if he can take one real quick. I'm sure he'll let you.
Can I take a picture real quick with the truck in the car? Thanks, man.
Well, we got Yeti and the Dark Horse. That thing looks sick. It is a sharp car. I love the wing. I'm gonna get the wing put on the S650 GT I get. I do like that.
Catapult Yeti up from that. This isn't the color we're getting. We're getting
Word on the street is the 10-speed Dark Horse drives really well. And the drivers couldn't really give any details as to why it drives super good, so I'm wondering if they updated or upgraded / changed the 10R80. The Gen 3 10R80s, they're just kind of, they're fast in a straight line, but they do not do well daily driving or like just sticking to a gear and staying in being super smooth. It's kind of choppy and feeling and whatnot, so I'm wondering if they changed the 10R80. It's hesitating.